May 12, yung ating Miss Teen Paniki 2012. And I think natapos na yung screening last Saturday. So, abangan po natin yan at supportahan din natin ang Miss Teen Paniki 2012. Ano nga pala ang show mo sa 96.1?
Yes, I only have my weekend show busy on weekday. So, pag Saturday, pwede nila akong pakinggan from 6 all the way to 9. And Sunday from 12 o'clock all the way till 3.
Alright, that's 96.1. Okay, so Kenny, number 14, how are you?
I'm fine.
Kamusta? In-expect mo ba itong pagpasok mo sa top 8?
Opo, dahil deserve ko pong manalo bilang ginawang Paniki 2012.
So, here's your question.
Okay, number 1 question mo. Bilang isang Panikenyo 10 years from now, and by that time, professional ka na, anong pinakamalaking bagay na pwede mong i-contribute sa bayan ng Paniki upang ito'y lalong makilala?
Siguro po, ang makakontribute ko po sa bayan ng Paniki ay yung maging inspirasyon po ko sa lahat ng tao, first, through my education. In order for us to be more productive and competitive. Because I believe that education is the ladder and the key to success. Second, i-develop po natin ang ating personality to be more focused, driven, dynamic, and determined, which will boost our self-confidence to have a better future in life. And third, in-nurture po natin ang good Filipino values such as self-discipline, respect, honesty, God-fearing, unity, friendship, and sense of responsibility towards other people, our colleague, our mother nature, and to God. I believe that these 3 factors will uphold our integrity and principle in life and make us strong and independent than we are today. Ang sabi nga po ni late US President John F. Kennedy, we should not ask our nation what it can do for us, but ask yourself what we can do for our nation. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 14.
Alright.
We still have 3 more to go. Let's move on to candidate number 11.